Yes.
Were you born by a rich family?
No. I'm telling you the beginning that my mother born 11. Because of that, that's why I didn't go to school. My mother
So you didn't go to school at all?
I go.
Were you a Kubolo?
Not Kubolo. That time we are in village. So you can't be a Kubolo. That's why you can't be a Kubolo. Because of the village. They give you a good training. But only say you come from poor family. Apologize. You come from poor family. Yeah, you don't go to school. You go to school. Yeah. But the whole thing is that we are 11. My father don't have. My mother don't have. And they bring us in this world. So you go to school, but enya papa. So you finish Form 4, it means you done your university. Yeah. But me, one, the mind, the learning material, I don't have in my.
So what was your position in school? Yeah.
Because I'm good, my goodness. They always push me. Men pass it. It's a woman on Cobody or and one hundred in oh, is that true?
Wow.
You were not passing, but they were passing you.
Yeah, but they passed me. Oh, woman on Cobody or
but that is corruption.
Not corruption.
Corruption.
Not corruption.
Yeah,
why corruption?
You didn't pass, and they've pushed you because they think you have a good character.
Yes. Because a character can do anything. Because the past is something. Okay, if somebody is good, you have with him idea power. But is a chief. So me and he, who is good. But I don't know anything. But they say, oh, allow body, let go. Because even the football team, everything in the school, I'll make sure I'll organize them nicely.
Did you play football too?
Not well. I didn't play, but not well.
So what happened along the way? The question was that I was asking whether you were born by a rich man because now Sakawa and everything is on.
Yeah.
And what kept you moving on to this extent? Because you were born from a poor family.
The secret is from my father.
Okay.
Apostle Dr. Kojo Safo.
Okay, Krista Safo.
He's the one come and pick me at the age of 17, 18.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that time I'm in Form 3 going to Form 4. But my father died. So my mother said he can't continue the school, so I should leave. So that man came into our country, hometown that time. So my mother, somebody told my mother, the man helped some people, so she should go and try. So when my mother go there, so small, we go to school, yes, also then go.
That was Apostle Safo.
Yeah. So he paid my school fees 79. 79. So I finished Form 4 79, but still I didn't pass. We go for the exams, but when the results come, I didn't go watch because I know really I didn't go there. Up to date, I didn't go watch what happened.
So your result is still with them?
Yeah, still with them.
Okay, so after that you were still with Apostle Safo?
Yeah, so he let somebody come and pick me at my hometown, at Chimdan to Accra. So there I stay. And the thing you put in my mind, this is the secret I'm sharing to everybody.
The secret?
Yeah. This one, I want those people, they don't speak, they can't speak, they don't hear English. I want to say it in Twi so that they can all hear me very well.
Okay.
Because the whole country will speak Twi.
Okay.
What's it called? So I'm no papa who are. I'm the first people to know the.
Oh, my no papa.
Oh, my no papa. I'm the first people. I say we hear dear be a big number so more D. So I'm on Timia Emily because I'm all by one can only say Omunibi. It you hear dear be and Bacoli Papa Fro. Oh, yeah, Bontin Sunni. About this soon is betting me a bomb will be ye pa. But Bontin soon be out of a bomb will be you know. Oh, yeah, the beer few hawk. I hope Brassier.
Yeah.
And look, crack. How about Ben on Benantino? Or maybe a Jawa or you know.
Yeah.
That's the secret. I've stayed to Accra 43 years now.
You've stayed in Accra for 43 years?
Good years. No rent. I don't even rent a house. Wow. Anywhere I'll go that I need a room, they will give me. Within short time, the owner of the house will come back and give my money to me. Me back now. Wow. It a damn hand and come hand done for 3 months pay. Because me hand 2 months a be in Piaka. You almost had to become matter. Why be seen?
All in the name of our brother.
Thank you. Because you come and meet me, sir. Now me pra be chaho. Let me. Are you mama? Even the time I became acrobato, I have my car. That time I sat with some people. They to go there, they give me nice house.
Was it a Suzuki?
Suzuki, thank you. You are right. I use my car. But that time, I sit with that man and his wife. A Bob Bayer, my Buddha, Bayer, the Ocean, it's okay, movie I'm on frame. Brahma drive, I was here frequency, Adriana Bew, at 10.
There you go in Palm.
My walk. We are our room of Matariash. Man, so wow. Wow. Acrobato. That's a half name. We are in the concert party. National Theatre. So, brah, the secret is this.
And respect.
Master, nobody will be able to achieve for a time. If you are down, you go a family muscle. Obia penipa no hojo. Obreno masi. No crap. The truthfulness. Say the truthfulness. It will take you anywhere you go. Eti me too kwa man come but say my regret your question. I'm coming back to your question. Minya be mo bu ma bra bo mu da. Manya ni je sa na. Me dey do be me.
This is 6 months.
6 months in the send dey no dey ayro na aya na me kan ko fu na. Me buta say omo wen. Edina ma me so ba.
Upon the things they struggle for Ghana, they are no more.
They no more. Eti ntokwa akoko. Ya bobo pa kokumu bi. Ko yesei obeye. It to come some few years. Obo say sad na be ade from. Even car open obetinya to car. But drive car no. Be a 1 year 2 years. Bo say oni money ji. But what is it?
Yeah.
It this all this and if it I compromise, then I come down. Are you laughing me?
So how come did you get the name?
Which one?
Acrobato. How did you get the name?
Okay, that one there, Komodo give that name to me.
Really?
Oh yes. My name is Kwesi Bwedi. Komodo give that name to me, but now that name is my name. I have put it anywhere.
The late Nkomodo.
Yes, give me that name.
Was it the one who was doing concert?
No, that was Bobukala.
Okay.
And Komodo to Apostle come and pick that boy to here, Amraga Junction. He push struggle. So he bring him to Accra. So we two of us, he give us one room at Accra. But those days, not Komodo to know how to drive. So some man in our area give him £1 a car. Because £1. He give that car to him there, take it to work. And that £1, you can't take mate. You see, you can't take mate. So, and come on, say, because I can't take mate. So you to always stay home. If I go to Kofodia and come on, you to wash the car. I give you chop money. If I come here and you are not there, and I wash it myself, I won't give any money.
So you were a car washer?
I will always make sure he will come and I wash and I collect my money. So when he comes, hey, Acrobato. Thank you. Make that name and that area to pick that name Acrobato. The time we are going to air for this concert party, I took that name. Acrobato. That's the all.
Okay, busiafo no ene nsem o message so do agent be comment section ho be subscribe to One Ghana TV na obe like here videos tap send mobile money app I send sika from Europe to Ghana pacha or Canada or America na pesa wo send sika eba Ghana woni how baby bia wo abrochi memu no mesro bo mode ne download the tap send ni bi e wo phone so ene gi sempa e wo munie wo download we na say wo send sika ye nte wo hwe no e-levy charges bi ani ho abusia wo pewe na wo pede tap send papa enono media any ama pokia memne daba